We must understand that we are currently in a transition between the traditional teaching and the technology-enabled or technology-driven teaching. And we are the true vanguards in this transitional period, we meaning the teachers. It is also a tough role because a lot of teachers are not as open to technology and what it has to offer as our students are. Changing habits and entrenched practices, overcoming tech shyness and developing new skills and knowledge and adapting to changes adds further complexity to the inherently challenging job of a teacher. Ask any teacher. The job is challenging. We are expected to do so much and to provide so much in the multiple roles that we play in our classrooms. On top of it, if today teachers are expected to go and learn the new technology and then to use that new technology with the students in their classroom, it puts pressure. And especially the older the teacher is, the longer the teacher has taught in a traditional classroom, the more difficult it is for that teacher to change. But change must happen. Even if it is slow, change must happen. A best way to do this is to pair a veteran teacher with a young teacher. Pair them up, let them work together, make a team, and so both will benefit. The veteran teacher benefits from the tech expertise of the young teacher, and the young teacher benefits from the years of experience of the veteran teacher. Consequently, it is imperative that the necessary support be duly provided to them as they navigate new territory. You can't tell the teacher to go and do this and leave the teacher alone. The teacher needs support. Support from the school, from the principal, from the education department, from wherever, because the teacher is trying to learn something the teacher is not familiar with, maybe not very happy in changing his or her hours and days and weeks and months and years of doing something one way. Suddenly to ask that individual to change and do something differently in a brand new way is a tough decision, not only for the school administration, but also for the teacher in the classroom. Because remember, who is in the classroom? It's not the administration, it's the teacher. Who is going to teach? The teacher. Who needs to learn? The teacher. So focus on the teacher. The teacher today needs all the help with technology. It is new, it is different, it is not something the teacher is accustomed to, unlike our young learners in the classroom who will speed by with their gadgets and their buttons with a teacher. But the teacher needs help. It is our job to help the teacher. All of these elements are poised to engage students, give them the support they need, boost confidence, and catapult student learning. So who is the ultimate beneficiary of all this? It is the student. It is not the teacher. The teacher, to make the student benefit from this, obviously has to learn, experience, relearn, do things differently. But the ultimate benefit goes to the student. And when the student benefits, the teacher putting in the extra time in learning the new technology and the software and all that is worth it. Because why are we in education? We are in education for the student. If the student is the one that benefits, then the teacher should do whatever the teacher needs to do to help the student benefit the most. Otherwise, the teacher will be left out in the race for technology-driven, technology-enabled education. For schools, this could lead to lower costs and greater manageability, and consequently effective and efficient data centers that free up resources for education application investments. When technology is built into the classroom, into the teaching learning scenario, a lot of time is spent doing the right things and less time is spent on wastage. Less time is used for filler kinds of activities where we as teachers are only trying to kill time. Technology allows students to move ahead, allows students to go back, allows students to stay on a particular topic for as long as the student needs. And the data that we can get, the analytics that the software can provide us with, can help us, teachers, help the administration, help the school and the education system learn better of what works, what does not work, what should be done, and what should not be done.